Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set auto download quality for WhatsApp. So we are in WhatsApp. On top you see three dots, so click on it and then you see multiple option. Now click on setting. So we are in setting option and then you see multiple option. Now you see storage and data. So again click on it. So we are in storage and data section. Now you see multiple option and then you see auto download quality and then you see choose. So click on it. Now pop up open and then you see auto download quality. Select the quality for photos and videos to be auto download in. Now you see two options, standard quality, HD quality. So you can select option according to requirement. So you can select standard quality or HD quality. So we select standard quality and then click on save. So you can select any option. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.